I'm muted. Good evening, Sir Kate. Kamusta? Kamusta ang Sir? Sir kong kalbo. Kamusta yung kaibigan kong kalbo? I'm feeding Granny. Mabuti po ikaw. Ah, galing. Galing sumagot. You know what will you answer? Ang galing mo. I'm good. Mabuti naman. Salamat. Galing-galing ni Sir Kate. Give clap. Give clap. Yung friend kong kalbo. Mama. Galing-galing. Yes, ang galing-galing mo. Galing-galing mo magtagalog, Sir Kate. Salute. Salute sa aking kaibigang kalbo. Don't think too much. So, your hair will grow. Natawa. You laugh also. Hello, my friend, Salaram Gamer. Sakit ng kamay ko. Nagtubero ako. Oh my God. You know tubero? I didn't know my hands already removed the skin. Because I fixed the drainage. Drainage of my kitchen. My God. Lumalabas ang tubig. Sir Kate. Lumalabas yung tubig, Sir Kate. Nandyan ka pa? Are you still there listening? I pump and pump and pump. I don't know. I figured out after that. It's already pain. Granny is smiling at me. It's pain. The skin is already removed. Oh my God. Appear, mama. Di ba? Man sir. Quay. Kapo bring Lysol TV. Watching from my friend's board. Hello po. Kapo bring Lysol. Layason. Lyson. Mali. Mali pala yung pagbasa ko. Sorry. Salamat Kapo bring Layason TV. Mali yung basa ko. Akala ko Lyson. Thank you. Oh, wow. 10 million. How to ma? Okay. Shout out. Ano pagkain mo? Si Lola, pinapakain ko. Lugaw, saka blender na adobong sitaw with pork. Saka meron siyang avocado. Ayan, ito avocado. Smash avocado na inano ko siya dinuro. Ayan, sarap-sarap. Diba Lola? Sarap-sarap. Sarap-sarap na pagkain.